Guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are here for the first time, please, after watching my video, please subscribe. Today's tutorial, I want to DIY how to make a beautiful hair bow with Ankara. You can just use like hearts and Ankara, let's call Ankara hearts. So the first thing you're going to do is what is your measurement and fabric you're using. So I'm going to make use of my Ankara. Make use of my Ankara, and what I need, I'm going to need my, sorry for the noise, I'm going to need my needle and thread. I'm going to need my taper. I'm going to need my Alice band. I'm going to make use of my scissors. Let's make the Ankara. So I'm going to give you the measurements now. Give you the measurements. The measurement I have is that's 46 by 13. 46 by 13. So we have 46 by 13. Then you fold into 2. Fold into 2. Fold into 2. I see. So the next I'm going to do is make use of my needle and thread into 2. Then start from here, up here. Don't forget your measurement is 46 by 13. Make it round. You can see what I'm doing. Make it round. Keeping your lines to shine.